If you want to
Okay.
see what
Today
you've
is
recorded,
March 17th.
say you want
We
to just see
are
what you
in
just
the
did.
midst of the coronavirus shutdown.
What did you click on?
Just called to talk a little bit about the Jeffers Journal phenology type stuff that you'll be doing. So every day you will come in and you will record the high temperature, low temperature, generate the average temperature, and graph that in
have to add things,
the
otherwise it's saved on your
in the back of your
YouTube
Jeffers
channel.
Journal.
You know what I mean?
Also
text.
today you're
go
going
to
to
your
be
YouTube
watching
channel.
a video from on mitosis. It is an Amoeba Sisters mitosis video.
So this is what they see.
Blah, 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 right?
I love it.
This is
I
the
should
one
go through
right
that
here.
whole thing now.
Yep.
And see it.
And
Okay.
then this video that you're going to watch today is a mitosis and meiosis comparison. Both of them are going to be using an acronym PMAT. These are representing the letters of the phases of mitosis and meiosis. Over here, I have been keeping track of the high and low temperatures of where Catherine's at the South Pole. Last week on the 10th, it was 75 below zero. The day that she arrived there in November, it was 49 below zero.